Hi everybody, good afternoon. Today I'm here at Lake Lanier in Atlanta, USA. And as I was walking around the lake in the woods here, I found a lot of lichens growing on the trees. And I just thought we'll speak about lichen today. So, if you actually observe them very closely, you will understand that these lichens do not have any root systems of their own, but make their nutrients and completely depend on the air for their survival. The other facts are that since they do not have any root system of their own, they do not fall under any plants species, but they are a mixture of fungus and algae. So it's a very symbiotic process of how they survive and grow slowly. Another fact is that they really grow at a very slow pace. Like you could say, probably that it takes about 100 years to grow, even like from a millimeter to a centimeter. One very interesting fact about lichens is that they are survivors of all climatic conditions and weathering conditions. Like if there is any extreme cold or heat or any drought, they do not have any problem, because during that time they go into a dormant stage and use very little amount of energy to survive, and they only need very few nutrients from the air that keep them surviving for a long time. And again, when the air is full of moisture and there is rain, or maybe the conditions are favorable, they take all the nutrients from the air and then slowly grow from one small patch to a bigger patch. Like that, if you also look at what role they play in the atmosphere and ecosystem around, they really play a major role by letting us know that the air around them and the water around them is very clean. So basically they are like pollution indicators. They indicate that the pollution levels are very low and the air is very clean around them. So the other interesting facts are like lichens are the very first form of life that grow on rocks in the mountains, and by which they break down the minerals from the rocks and convert them into nutrition for other plants around them, wherever there are a few little plants that grow. And in the mountains especially, the lichen also provide as a food source for the mountain goats and the deers and everything else around the mountainous region, which are herbivorous. Especially these goats and deers and the mountains depend on lichen for the levels of salt that they need for their survival. And they're also a very good source of food for many species of birds, insects, and other rodents, and etc. So, like that, lichen play a very important and major role, also a very versatile role in the environment around us. It is very important for us to keep an eye about the areas where there's a lot of pollution, and how these lichens break down the pollutants in the air and clean the air. Thank you.